हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कल मैंने आपके साथ एक ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था, तो आज मैं उसे कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रही हूँ। तो मेरा ख्याल है कि आपको सारी रेशियो समझ आ गई होंगी। तो मेरे ख्याल में आपको घर जाके भी अपने पूरा अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लेना चाहिए, बुक में से भी देखना चाहिए, मेरा पढ़ाया हुआ भी देखना चाहिए, तो आपको अच्छी समझ आ जाएगी। एंड आई एम श्योर आपने पढ़ा ज़रूर होगा। और अब आज मैं उस चैप्टर को थोड़ा कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ। और कैसे कर रही हूँ, आई विल नॉट टेक द एग्जाम्पल्स फर्स्ट। मैं आपको 8.1 के क्वेश्चंस करवा देती हूँ, 4-5 एग्जाम्पल्स आप खुद पढ़ना। अगर ना समझ आए तो फिर मैं करवा दूंगी। ओके, नो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 of 8.1, it is in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 24. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. So let us take a right triangle. ABC is a right angled at B. So this point is B. AB is equal to 24. centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Then determine sin A cos A. First part is, now what is given? You will write here, given a right triangle ABC right angled at B, in which AB is equal to 24 and BC is equal to 7. This you will write there also in your notebook. So we are to find the values of sin A and cos A. So this is a triangle ABC. Angle B is a right angled at B. So I have given the symbol of right angle here at the point B. Now it is given AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeters. So I have drawn the figure showing AB is equal to 24 and BC is equal to 7. Angle B is a right angle. And what we are to determine? Sin A cos A. Sin A, in first part we are to find the values of sin A and cos A. So you know sin A is equal to sin is equal to P over H. So how much is P? P is equal to P over H. Sin A is equal to P over H. Since you do not know the value of H so far, so first you will find the value of H. Hypotenuse length you are to find first. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AB square. How much is AB? 24. 24 square plus BC 7 square. So 24 into 24, 576. Plus 7 into 7 will be 49. So it will give you the sum as 625. This is AC square. Therefore AC is equal to square root of 625, and that will be equal to 25. 25, which units are given? Centimeters. So along with the 25 we have to write the unit centimeter. So AC is equal to 25 centimeter. What we are to find here? Number 1 is sin A, and sin A is equal to, you know sin A, it is P over H. From here you will see, just in no time you will write that ratio here. It is equal to P over H. How much is P? Perpendicular, it is 7. How much is H? P over sin A. Sin A is equal to P over H. H is equal to 25. Just now you find out the value. 7 over 25. P over H. Now, number 2, we are to find the second ratio, and that is equal to cos A. Cos A. Cos is equal to B over H. So, what is the value of B? 24. Base is 24. And how much is the value of hypotenuse? It is 25. So, 24 over 25. Answer. No, the second part. In second part, we have been asked to find the values of sin C, cos C. Now, in the second part, we are to find the values of sin C and cos C. So, how will you find sin C? Sin is equal to sin is equal to P over H. No, sin is equal to P over H. Now, we have been asked to find the value of sin C. Sin C कैसे आता है? P over H. P होती है सामने वाली साइड टू द गिवन एंगल. sin C, C के सामने कौन सी साइड है? 24. So, it is 24 over H. H is 25. So, it will be, for angle C, it will be 24 over 25. Opposite side to angle C is 24. Opposite side to angle A was 7. जब उन्होंने sin A पूछा तो हमने कहा 7 over 25. लेकिन अब वो पूछ रहे हैं sin C. sin C क्या होगा? Opposite side to angle C. Opposite side to angle C is 24 over hypotenuse is 25. Number 2, cos C. Cos C. Cos is equal to B over H. B. How much is B? Base इसका कितना है? इसका base है BC. This is 7 over hypotenuse is 25. So 7 over 25. It will be the answer for cos C. Question number 2. In figure 8.13, it is given in the book. So let me draw the same figure. Triangle PQR. It is 12 centimeter. And PR is 13 centimeter. We are to find tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. Tan P is equal to P. Tan P is equal to P over B. tan P, P के सामने वाली साइड दिस इज QR. ये परपेंडिकुलर है फॉर एंगल P. ये परपेंडिकुलर, तो ये परपेंडिकुलर हमें पता नहीं है. सो वी आर टू फाइंड फर्स्ट QR. QR इज इक्वल टू, बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, QR is equal to, you will write here of course by Pythagoras theorem, QR is equal to PR square minus PQ square whole under root. So how much is PR? PR is 13 square minus PQ is 12 square whole under root. So 13 into 13 will be 169 and 12 into 12 will be 144 whole square root. So it will give you 25 whole square root. So it will be 5 centimeter. Which line is 5 now? It is QR. QR is equal to 5 centimeter. So let me write here QR is equal to 5 centimeter. Now, क्योंकि ये ब्लैक बोर्ड थोड़ा छोटा है, नो आई रब द पोर्शन आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर. now we are to find tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. Tan P for angle P, tan is equal to, you know, P over B. Tan P is equal to P over B. So how much is P for angle P? Angle P, QR is the for tan P is equal to P over B. For tan P, angle P, QR is the perpendicular. So it will be QR over B, base is PQ. Now, in question number 2, 8.13 figure is given. So I have drawn it. Tan P minus cot R we are to find. Tan P minus cot R. Tan P is equal to P के सामने tan वैल्यू इज P ओवर B. P के सामने पॉइंट P के सामने P क्या कौन सी है, परपेंडिकुलर कौन सी है, QR ओवर बेस इज PQ. Now cot R is this point. Cot is equal to B over P. तो R का बेस कौन सा है, QR ओवर बेस, और बेस इज इक्वल टू PQ. So how much is QR? QR is 5 over PQ. PQ is 12 minus QR is 5 over PQ is 12. So 5 minus 12, 5 over 12 minus 5 over 12 is equal to 0. Answer. Do question number 3. It is given sin A is equal to 3 over 4. Or you can write here also, or you can write in brackets given. And what we are to find? Cos A and tan A. Or you can write here to find cos A and tan A. So let us take a right triangle again. Sin A, so this point will be A. Let us take it as B and this as C. Sin A is equal to 3 over 4. So let us draw right triangle ABC, right angled at B. It is given sin A is equal to 3 over 4. P over H is equal to 3 over 4. For sin A, perpendicular is BC. A के opposite side to angle A, and hypotenuse is AC. Sin A is equal to 3 over 4. Sin A is equal to 3 over 4. So BC over AC is equal to 3 over 4. It means BC is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 4. Therefore, AB will find now again by Pythagoras theorem. You can write here by Pythagoras theorem. So, AB is equal to AC square minus AB square whole square root. How much is AC? 4. 4 square minus AB is equal to 4 square minus BC square. AC square minus BC square whole square root. So BC is equal to 3. So it will be 3 square. So 4 into 4 will be 16 minus 9 whole under root is equal to under root of 7. So AB is equal to under root 7. It becomes under root 7. So what we are to find? Cos A. Now tell me, this point is A. Cos is equal to base over hypotenuse. So how much is the base? Under root 7 over hypotenuse is 4. Cos A. Now tan A. Tan A is equal to P over B. For tan A, P is 3 over base. Base is under root 7. So these are the two answers. Number 1 is under root 7 over 4 and 2 is 3 over under root 7. Now let us do question number 4. It is given 15 cot A is equal to 8. So I'll write here 15 cot A is equal to 8. It is given. And we are to find sin A and sec A. Now 15 cot A is equal to 8. Therefore, cot A is equal to 8 over 15. And what is cot equal to? Base over perpendicular is equal to 8 over 15. So let me take one right triangle. Right angled at B and acute angle as A. ABC I have taken a right angled at B and point A I have taken as A. So it is given cot A is 15 cot A is equal to 8. Therefore cot A is equal to 8 over 15. B over P is equal to 8 over 15. Base will be 8 and perpendicular will be 15. So we can find the length of the third side hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AC by Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. So how much is AB? 8 square plus BC is 15. So it will be 15 square. 8 square will be 8 into 8, 64. 15 into 15 will be 225. 5 and 4, 9, 6 and 2, 8 and 2. So under root of 289, it is equal to 17. 7 into 17 is equal to 289. So you have found out the value of AC now. So I'll find sin A. Sin A is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. So it will be 15, perpendicular is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. Number 2, we are to find sec A. sec is equal to hypotenuse over base. So how much is the hypotenuse? It is 17. And how much is the base? 8. So it will be 17 over 8. So these are the two answers. 15 over 7, 17 and 17 over 8.